copyright. What are we doing, bro? What the hell are we doing? This is crazy. Out here barefooted. Man. I'm trying to approach this thing in the most respectful way possible. But you see why a lot of, I'm just going to come out and say it, other races don't take us serious. This behavior right here, this is the reason why a lot of, other people don't take us serious. I know and I understand graduating after 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, whatever plus years is exciting. You finally made it to the end of whatever. You're about to get your degree, another part of your life is about to begin. That is phenomenal. But under no circumstances should you ever display this type of behavior on camera at your graduation. I talk to people all the time about their digital footprint and how a lot of us really have to clean up our image, how we look, what we put out into the world. And you're telling me a person that just graduated with their master's or whatever is looking to get into looking to become a CEO or whatever of a company. You don't think that they're looking at this type of stuff? Like, you're supposed to be a representation of, or you're looking to be a representation of the business, the brand. And why in the world would I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on people that think stuff like this is okay to be doing out in the public? And listen, I was really gonna go in on the women, because the clip that was given, or the clip that was just shown, I seen pretty much nothing but women, right? Maybe seen one, maybe two guys in that thing. So it's actually another clip where I'm just gonna let y'all check it out, right? This is the other clip that I seen. Twerking. Come on, man. Slipping and falling. Throwing your gown like on top of the chair. Then you got guys out there throwing, I don't know if that's money. I don't know what that is. Graduation turned into a ghetto party. You know how many people out there are just laughing at these individuals? Like, you have no respect for yourself displaying this type of behavior. Like what the freak are we doing, man? What are we doing? You know what? I'm gonna show you guys the proper way to, like, when you're at a graduation or whatever, there are certain things that are completely, like, I don't understand why the heck anybody would ever do anything like this, and that was the best representation of that. If you are going to dance, you are going to two-step or whatever. And listen, we can't just hold the graduates. We can't just hold them accountable. We got to hold the entire school account. I don't even know what school that is. I don't know what college that, I don't know what college that is, but y'all got to do better. Now, something that I would deem as okay at a graduation or whatever, like okay behavior, it was a song that just came out, Boots on the Ground, right? Decent song or whatever, and they actually played this at another college graduation. And I think that this type of behavior is, in my eyes, completely okay. Nobody out there doing anything crazy. Here it is. Copyright. Little two-step, ain't nothing wrong with it, okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, it don't take all that. Look, everybody's having fun. They're enjoying themselves. Nobody is out here doing anything crazy. No twerking, no throwing hats, no tearing up the place. Like, come on, man. This is how things, I think it's okay. This is completely okay. Not just the students and professors. But y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. I'm just gonna say those first few videos is not how we need to be doing things. It's not the type of behavior that we need to be putting on display. Like, this is not the best representation of us. When people look at or think about Black people, I don't want that stuff at the forefront. I really don't. Like, it's certain things that you just don't put out there in the public eye. If you choose to do this behind closed doors, camera off, in your own home, cool. But this type of behavior should never be put on the internet. I don't care under any circumstances, man. But anyway, I want to hear from y'all. I want to, I'm just going to wash my hands with that thing and, just go on about my business. But I want to hear from y'all. What are you guys' thoughts about this? Do y'all think that I'm off? Do you think that their behavior is okay? Is it okay to behave like that at a graduation or anywhere? Let me know down in the comments, man. All right. Until the next one, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm trying to work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa. Too bad was they roll.